Welcome back to Dan's Messy Garage. Today I am in my messy garage with an update on the 1976 Mercury Monarch that was for sale. That's right, I said was. It has been sold. My brother is going to buy it. So I'm happy about that. The car is going to go to a good home. That won't be the end of these videos though. I am still going to be working on it. There's a list of things that I need to do, some of which will be paid for by my brother. They're on the interior. I need to pull some interior panels out, paint them, replace the dash pad and heater control unit and stuff like that. But that's not the end of the Monarch videos. Watch my channel because I have some information on the engine and transmission. But this is just a short video to say that the 76 Monarch is no longer for sale. It has been sold. Thanks for watching.